To find the mean of group data, we have three methods: direct method, and this is a deviation method, and we also have step deviation method. So in this deviation method or assumed mean method, so which one has to be assumed as mean? So among these 1 2 3 4 5 6, among these 6 values we have to take the middle values, either 47.5 or 62.5. so here we taken 62.5. Okay, step deviation method, so the assumed mean is taken as this middle one, either here in this middle we have two values, so 47.5 and 62.5. so this is step deviation method. In this, either this one or this one is taken as assumed mean. So here 62.5 is assumed mean, we assumed this as mean. So with help of this assumed mean, we calculated step deviations, and that we already discussed in earlier video. Mode of group data, in this we have to take model class. This is model class. How we take this as model class? So observe 7 8 2 2 1, these are the frequencies of this table. So among these frequencies, 8 is the biggest value. So this biggest value is the f1, and this the biggest value, the biggest frequency class is the model class. So this is the model class. Okay, and this is proceeding this model class, the frequency proceeding the model class is this one, and the frequency succeeding the model class is this one. So highest frequency is taken as f1, and proceeding this is f0, and after this f2. so we have to here also to find the mode of this classified data. Here the frequency 4 8 9 7 6 3 1 1. so among these frequencies, 18 is the most biggest value. So therefore this is the model class, this is the model class. So to find the mode of given data, we have to take model class as highest frequency class. Okay, to find the mean of group data, which is the median class. So here, so the number of the total number of this all these frequency is 53. So 53 by 2 is equal to 26.5. so 26.5 is half of this n. so n by 2 is equal to 52 by 2 is equal to 26.5. so this value is, okay, how to recognize the median class? We have to add all the frequencies, okay, and in this case the sum of the frequency is 53. so 53 by 2, n by 2 is equal to 53 by 2 is equal to 26.5, and it is nearly equal to 27. so the 27th observation is not in 22. so this is the first 5 observations, this is first 8 observations, and this first 12 observations, and these are first 15 observations. so therefore these are the so this 22 is first 22 observations. so we need 27th observation. Did this 27th observation is present in this? Okay, so therefore we have to take this as median class. Okay, similarly here also, here the median of the 60 observation given below is 28.5. so in this we don't know the frequency of x, but if you find the cumulative frequency, okay, so 5 plus x and if you add these and these, 25 plus x, so here 28.5 is between these two. Okay, already the median is given, so therefore this is the median class, this is the median class. Okay, therefore this is f, and before this median class, the preceding class is this one, and this is the cumulative frequency. So in this way we should not confuse while finding mode, median and mean. Now the formula to find the mode of given data, mode of group data, mode of group data, so that is denoted by Z, and it is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here Z is mode of given data, Z is mode of given data, and L is lower boundary of lower boundary of model class, lower boundary of model class, and this F1 is frequency of model class, frequency of model class. F1 is frequency of model class, and F0 is frequency of proceeding model class. Frequency of proceeding model class, frequency of proceeding model class, and this F2 is frequency of succeeding model class, and this H is the length of the model class. Length of the model class. Okay, and median of group data, median of group data M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. Here M is median of given data, M is median of given data, and L is lower boundary of median class, and this N is total number of sum of frequencies, or number of observations, N is number of observations, and Cf is cumulative frequency of cumulative frequency of proceeding the model class, proceeding the median class. Cumulative frequency of proceeding the median class. Okay, and F is frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class, and H is length of the median class. Length of the median class. Okay.